here. Today we're going to be doing another sugar scrub, and we're going to be doing a chocolate sugar scrub. This stuff is amazing. You're going to want to eat it, which really and truly you could if you wanted to, but we're going to get pan down and we'll get started. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need almond oil, coconut oil, regular sugar and brown sugar, and you're also going to need some cocoa powder and an essential oil of your choice. Okay, so if you have sensitive skin, you could also use jojoba oil. It's very gentle on your skin. So is almond oil. Coconut oil is also great, but if you discover that you have any trouble with it, I would try jojoba oil because it really is pretty great. So what you're going to do is you are going to take a cup of sugar, a cup of brown sugar, now you don't need to pack it, you just need a cup. Okay. I do like to use a glass bowl when I'm doing these because I am putting essential oils in it. It's also a good idea to use a wooden spoon. So I like to mix my sugars up first. Make sure that I get out any lumps that are in there. And once I have it pretty well mixed, the next thing I'm going to do is add in some almond oil. I'm also going to go ahead and melt my coconut oil. So I like to use the organic virgin. And the best one to get is the cold pressed. Now the cold pressed will have a coconut smell, so if you don't like that, you'll want to get the expeller pressed because it won't have the same smell. It won't be as strong. So I just take some, put it in a microwave safe bowl. Okay. And then I'm going to microwave this for about 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to take my 1/4 cup of the coconut oil, and I am going to pour it in with my sugars. Okay. So what you really need so I pour it in and then I mix it up. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to mix our next oil in. So I'm going to put 1/4 cup of this as well. Oops. So 1/4 cup of the almond oil. Okay. Then mix it up. Once you get these combined, what you're going to do is you're going to take cocoa powder and you're going to add three tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you just mix it up again. So this is what turns it into chocolate. It smells so good. Wonderful. So once you get this mixed together, next thing you're going to do is add in, I like to add in just a few drops of vanilla. You want the pure vanilla. So I added in about 5 drops. Okay. And then you can add in an essential oil of your choice. So some really good ones are sweet orange. It is good for your skin and it complements the chocolate. So this is sweet orange. I get this from Eden's Garden. You can also get this from doTERRA and Young Living. And I'm going to add in about 10 to 15 drops. Okay. There we go. And then you just mix it again. This recipe is going to make about 16 ounces. So once you get it all mixed up, you see how that looks like chocolate? Then what you want to do is get a glass container. So you want to use glass because it has essential oils in it, and essential oils can leach into plastic. So you don't want to use plastic, you want to use glass. I just put it in a glass container. I love this stuff. It smells amazing. It's like a little bit of heaven, chocolate heaven. Okay. And it's really good for your skin, so I just put it in my container. Here. There we go. This is a 16-ounce container. So you see it really does make just a little bit, tiny bit over 16 ounces, but it's close. So this is a great thing to give as a gift. So there it is. And you just want to, whoops. Then you just want to put your cap on. I like to pound mine down a little bit. Just get it settled in there. And then you have a wonderful sugar scrub, either for you or for a gift for someone. It's really easy to make, it smells amazing, and it's great for your skin. So I hope you enjoyed this and that you will give it a try. So let me know if you liked it and if you tried it. And make sure to like and subscribe, because I'll be coming out with a lot more of things like this. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.